Chloe? Chloe! Give this to Chloe. 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 Chloe! Okay, my featured viewer today is my girl, Truly Simply Kiera. Thanks so much for always tuning in, leaving me a comment, and being so sweet and thoughtful. I truly appreciate it. If you guys have not checked out her channel, definitely go do so. She is like the decorating queen. Like, I just wish I could learn from her. She's so amazing. But thanks for hanging with me through Vlogmas. I know it's only day 3 right now, but I appreciate you so much. Love you, girl. Advent calendar day 3. You get yours tonight. Little boo-boo. Okay. So this one says, Mini Christmas Miracle. Find joy in the beauty of unexpected bliss with our new limited edition Serendipity. Ooh! A rich foam is infused with a magical elixir of oils that'll leave your skin feeling cleansed and soft. This is an opulent foaming shower gel. Let's smell this. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. You guys, this is honestly the best advent calendar ever. You all know last year the Nespresso one was a complete waste of money in my opinion. It was just like getting regular varieties of coffee. But I love this because this is a brand that I previously hadn't explored, and I get to try so many products. And this is a nice size product for an advent calendar. So shout out to day 3. I'll link this product down below. I'll be using this tomorrow. Then I have a delivery at the door. She loves packages because of BarkBox. Stand back though. You know it might have COVID on it. Stand back. So this is a box from my girl Tan, the Dugout Mom here on YouTube. If you're not following her, definitely go follow her. And I'm like, I didn't order anything. What is here? You guys get to open it. How are you the first one to get inside my package? Oh my gosh. Ah, Tan. You are the best. You are the best, girl. So it's so funny. I keep remarking about how I don't have a holiday mug. And look what my girl sends me. When I tell you she is just the sweetest, thank you so much. I'm going to text you right now. I have a mug for the holiday season, and it's the Good Girl Ray Dunn. I wish I hadn't already made my coffee. Tan, thank you so much. Yes. Dun 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 dun. Y'all know my Ray Dunn son. Candle day started today. I'm in the queue online right now. Why? I have no clue. These are all the candles that have never even come out of this crate. And I have more upstairs in my beauty room that are not burned. Well, I tried to check out about 5 times. My order just keeps going back to the basket. So these are the candles that I was gonna get. Fresh Balsam, Red Velvet Cupcake, because I love a good red velvet, Sunshine and Daffodils, Mahogany Teakwood, Bubbly Rosé, and I'm getting none. Bath & Body Works is playing, and I'm not playing with y'all. I have stuff to do, so it wasn't meant to be. Clearly, I didn't need any. Maybe this is God. It's still the devil, but whatever. Just got a notification that my Apple Watch is about to die. This workout needs to be recorded. But anyway, let's get a quick workout in. I have to go hunting and gathering today. You know, all the things. Let's get it done. send a little call. Whoa. We are out and about. He just had to quickly go stop. It is hunting and gathering day, even though I can't really call it hunting and gathering anymore because I'm not going into the store, but it's still technically hunting and gathering because of the shortage. So yeah, I head home, do some work, and then we can get this cooking on. Come on, come on. Today we're gonna cook, well, today I'm gonna make one of my family's favorite like comfort foods. It is Savannah red rice. I do have family from Savannah, and so this is like something that my dad grew up eating apparently, and I learned how to make it this year. He's gonna be sad he's missing it, but hi father, I'm sure you're watching. So yeah, I'm gonna be making Savannah red rice tonight. It's really simple, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Yeah, see you guys in a few. It's the ocean. Dun, 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 dun. Target run and done. I think my candle's here. Why am I so excited? It's 06. Have a wonderful day. Ooh. So the wicks clearly have to be trimmed, Target. I'm not sure what's going on with these extra long wicks. That's really odd, actually. I don't know why I'm laughing so hard. Anyway. So candied pecan, it smells so good. I'm not a food candle person. I'll link this down below if it's still available. This smells really good though. This would have been nice for Thanksgiving. Really, really good. Coco McQueen, you've never steered us wrong. You've never. And I'll also put Coco, what? Wow, Coco McQueen, you are an internet celebrity. He said he just was on either Instagram or Twitter and saw something with Coco McQueen. She's active on both, so. Okay, Coco McQueen. I will link her Instagram, her website, and her YouTube channel down below. She puts all the girls on. So shout out to you, Coco McQueen. You know I love you. Doing my part to help save the planet. I may use paper plates, but I recycle my Nespresso pods. Welcome to Publix. I usually don't like coming to the mall, parking in the parking deck. If you know anything about Lenox in Atlanta, it's very different now, but I don't want to pay for shipping, so we're going to the new Nespresso boutique. Prayers for being covered and having protection with us, because why is this mall so ridiculous? It's a problem. Yeah. I just want to be able to shop in peace. I forgot my mask. Oh my God. Look. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, the customer service is amazing. They offered me a drink. I love it. That's my machine. Love it. Just act like I have my mask on. I kind of want to get this. We have the horrible advent calendar. Goods secured safely.
telling me.
Ooh, the language that I listen to. Okay, I cannot handle this holiday rush. It is December 3rd and I'm already over the holiday rush. This is why I don't go anywhere. Vehicle color, type, stall number 2. I'm too much of an introverted homebody for any of this. Like, damn, I can't even do curbside pickup now. It's too much. I'm sure by now you guys have learned that I love all things singing and dancing. Ooh. Your love. Oh, we're gonna listen to their music. The car has a sticker that says, "Caution, this vehicle is equipped with audio and video recording." I cannot.
Northern pickup.
Hi, sorry, you guys kept going to spam in my phone, but I'm outside. Are you calling so I can come in?
Okay, yeah, just go to the front door.
Okay, thank you. Hi, thank you so much. Have a great day. Okay, let's try the Jack Black Night Mode Lip Treatment. I'm really excited about this. Here's the packaging. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Influencer shit. Okay, I like the black packaging. Oh, she's thick and creamy and sumptuous. Oh, this is nice. So this is definitely like a lip mask. It has a scent. It's kind of manly. Not sure. It's like a woodsy-ish scent. First impression, I like it. I will have to use it tonight and let you guys know my experience. But if you're in the market for a new lip mask and you do like the original Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of, definitely go pick it up. $10 at Nordstrom. Can't beat it. Hey guys, so I am cooking tonight. We are having one of my family's favorite meals, Savannah red rice. My father is going to be so disappointed that he can't have it because this is like something that he not really taught me how to make, but I kind of make it because of him. I made it maybe a month or so ago and it was so good, so I'm cooking it again tonight. You guys get to follow along with me. I know you guys say you missed my cooking videos, and I told you they're coming back, and in January I'll be back to cooking and doing all the things, so this is good practice, but it's a really easy meal. I'll leave the recipe link down below. Let's get to it. Put on your chef's hats, ladies and gentlemen. Savannah red rice, here we come. The crazy little puppy. Wait. You're not getting it, baby. You didn't eat dinner. Chloe hasn't eaten all day, so unfortunately, she's not getting her advent calendar. When did you have time to lick your paws? Relax. It's okay. I know my Shih Tzu moms feel me. When did you have time to lick your paws? You went in the dining room and licked your paws? Anyway, we're gonna close out today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed day 3. Okay, it's midnight, by the way. Okay, goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Yeah, see you tomorrow.